Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I have something important to share with you. Many people think they need to learn thousands of words to speak English well. But this is not true. You do not need 1,000,000 words. You only need 600 common words to speak better English. Yes, just 600. Today I will show you how to use these words to improve your English. Are you ready? Let's start. Why 600 words? English has many words, but we do not use all of them every day. In daily conversations, we use only a small number of words again and again. These words help us express ideas, ask questions, and talk with people. If you know these 600 words well, you can speak English with confidence. Think about children when they start learning to speak. They do not know difficult words. They use simple words like mama, papa, eat, play, and come. Slowly, they build sentences and start talking fluently. The same happens with English learners. If you master the common words, you can express yourself in many situations. How to learn the 600 words. Step 1. Learn the most common words first. Words like I, you, we, go, come, eat, drink, good, bad, happy, and sad are used every day. Start with these. Step 2. Practice simple sentences. Do not try to learn big words. Just use small, easy words to make sentences. For example, I go to school. She eats an apple. We are happy today. Step 3. Use the words in real life. Try to speak English every day. You can talk to a friend, write simple messages, or practice by yourself in front of a mirror. Easy phrases to use every day. Here are some simple phrases that you can use in daily life. How are you? What is your name? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. What time is it? Can you help me? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. How much is this? See you later. These phrases will help you start conversations and feel more comfortable speaking English. Shadowing technique, the best way to learn. The shadowing technique is one of the best ways to learn and improve English speaking. This technique helps you speak like a native speaker. But what is shadowing? Shadowing means listening to a sentence in English and repeating it immediately. You try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and tone. It is like a shadow following a person. You follow the speaker's voice closely. How to do shadowing. 1. Listen to a simple English sentence. 2. Say the sentence immediately after hearing it. 3. Try to match the speaker's pronunciation and tone. 4. Repeat this process many times. 5. Record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. Example. Listen, I want to eat pizza. Repeat, I want to eat pizza. Do this every day with different sentences. It will help you speak English fluently and naturally. Examples of common words. Here are some examples of the 600 words you need. People, I, you, we, they, he, she. Actions, go, come, eat, drink, sleep, run, talk, listen. Feelings, happy, sad, angry, excited, afraid. Things, book, table, phone, chair, bag. Questions, what, where, when, why, how. Places, home, school, market, park, office. If you learn and use these words, you can make many sentences and talk to people easily. Practice session. Now let's practice. I will say a simple sentence and you repeat after me. 1. I go to work. 2. She likes coffee. 3. They are my friends. 4. Where is your book? 5. He is very happy today. Good job. Keep practicing like this every day and your English will get better. More tips to learn English fast. 1. Speak every day. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start speaking now even if you make mistakes. 2. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of your native language. This helps you respond faster in conversations. 3. Watch English shows. Watch movies or YouTube videos in English with subtitles. Listen to how people speak. 4. Use flashcards. Write common words on flashcards and practice them daily. 5. Join a speaking group. Find a friend or join an online group where you can talk in English. 6. Be confident. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. 7. Listen to English songs and podcasts. This will help you improve your listening and pronunciation skills. 8. Read simple books. Start with children's books or easy English stories. Reading helps you learn new words and sentence structures. 9. Use a dictionary. If you don't know a word, look it up and practice using it in sentences. 10. Write a daily journal. Write 1 or 2 sentences about your day in English. This will help you improve your writing and vocabulary. So remember, you do not need 1,000,000 words to speak English. Just 600 common words are enough to start speaking well. Learning English is not about knowing difficult words. It is about using simple words correctly and with confidence. Practice every day, use the shadowing technique, and make English a part of your daily life. The more you use English, the easier it becomes. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward in learning. Believe in yourself. You have the ability to learn English and speak it well. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson. Take care and happy learning.